Tonight I'm going to the Taylor Swift concert and I am so excited. I have waited until show day to open this giant thing here, which I received as part of my VIP package I purchased for tonight's concert. So I'll be opening that and showing you what is inside. And if you are wondering why I am posting this video, it is quite a departure from my usual content, but I've heard that Taylor Swift puts together some really high-tech packages for her shows. So I wanted to show you all what was inside. Also, hang around until the end of the video and I will be giving away some really cool blockchain swag. So let's get opening. Get out of here. The moment of truth. What is actually in here? Oh, Jesus! There is a monitor inside this box. They gave me a television. So this is the stage. This is the stage for tonight's concert. You got like snake tongue runways here. Okay, wow. This is so beautiful. This here, this is now the 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th copy of this album I now own. Maybe I'll give this one away. So hang around to the end and we'll see what we can do. Oh my gosh, they put this in glass? This is my ticket. This is going straight to the pool room. You won't get that unless you're Australian. Okay, so this apparently I have to wear to the show. It's got a little lanyard here, reputation lanyard, and it is a light device. So I've seen that she's been doing light shows around the stadium where she has like, you know, snakes slithering around the crowd. So this apparently I have to take tonight. I cannot forget this. So much to get through. Oh, wow. So I think this is a hardcover. Yes. I've got a poem here to start out with. Table of contents. I love me a good Taylor Swift pun. He built a fire just to keep me warm. Lyrics from her song. There's a fire here, bonfire. I love this look. Taylor Swift does send out really high-tech VIP packages for her shows. I was definitely not disappointed with this one, with the light-up lanyards and the monitor inside. I definitely suspect that interactive packages like this one are the future of concerts, and we're going to see things get even more high-tech from here. On an unrelated note, I am going to be starting a crypto quiz show on my channel. I'd love you to submit your questions and answers that you think should be on the show. Post them below, and if your question is chosen, you will go into the running to win one of these awesome Billfoddle key keepers. So this is an awesome company that I discovered recently. I have some of these to give away. This is what it looks like inside. You've got your key keeper. You go in and write your private key in there, and this is something that is fireproof, waterproof as well. So great thing for keeping keys if you are worried about it and want to protect your own keys by your own bank account. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, subscribe to Naomi's YouTube channel.
Best endorsement ever.